Hi, I'm Aaron. If you like this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And if you want to see more of our videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll get more coming at you right away. Today, I'm here to discuss this hard-sided 20-inch Samsonite Winfield 2 spinner. I purchased the orange color from Amazon for $89. The dimensions of this orange Winfield 2 spinner are 22.4 inches by 13.8 inches by 9 inches. The build quality, solid. It is made of ultralight 100% polycarbonate. The zippers all seem like they're made of high quality material. There's a TSA approved lock. I think you just push it in here. Keeps all your stuff nice and secure in there if you're going to check this luggage for any reason. Then it's got a 3-wheel combination lock that you can set yourself. I haven't read the instructions yet, so it's still just whatever it's supposed to be. And then it's got a key lock that the TSA can open and poke through your stuff if they think you're suspicious. So, let's take a peek at this. So, like I said, the zipper's really high quality. Inside here, we've got room for your clothes on the one side, maybe some shoes. There's this divider piece that keeps your two sides separate, and the divider piece has some spaces on the inside here to, I don't know, put more stuff. Maybe a toothbrush. And then, more well-built zippers by the feel of things. There's the inside, and there's lots of room in there to put the rest of your stuff. So, if you have a small trip that you're going on, you could definitely fit enough clothes for 3 or 4 days on this, easily. So, back to the outside. The orange color has some black striping on it, so it's not like a really bright orange. On the Amazon website, it really does look like it's a very bright orange, but it is kind of muted with the black striping on it. So it is a spinner luggage, so it's got 4 wheels, spins very well. It's also got this, and it's got 2 different places where it can go up and down too. So, overall, I think it's a decent luggage. I guess we'll have to wait and see.